Boeing has spent decades convincing the world they're the future of commercial aviation. And for a while, everyone believed it. The company was building the most advanced commercial aircraft ever conceived. The 777X was set to change everything, but here's what most people don't realize. Behind the scenes, Boeing isn't just building a new airplane. They're secretly revolutionizing the entire concept of how commercial aviation works. From wings that transform like something out of science fiction to factories where artificial intelligence builds planes alongside human workers, the 777X is just the beginning. Boeing's real plan is far more ambitious than anyone imagined. At first glance, the Boeing 777X looks remarkably similar to any other wide-body aircraft. The twin-engine configuration that made the original 777 a global success story. But look closer at the wings, and you'll see something that has never existed in commercial aviation history. Wingtips that fold upward like the wings of a massive mechanical bird. This isn't just an engineering curiosity. It's the key to Boeing's master plan. The 777X features a wingspan of 235 feet when fully extended during flight. That's wider than a football field. But here's the problem. Most airports around the world were built for much smaller aircraft. Gates and taxiways designed decades ago simply cannot accommodate planes this massive. Airbus learned this lesson the hard way with the A380. Despite being an engineering marvel, the Super Jumbo was limited to only a handful of airports worldwide. Airlines couldn't justify routes to destinations that required expensive infrastructure upgrades just to handle one aircraft type. Boeing engineers realized they needed a different approach. Instead of forcing airports to change, they would make the airplane adapt to existing infrastructure. The solution was revolutionary. Hydraulic actuators built into the wing structure that allow the outermost 11 feet of each wing to rotate upward when the aircraft is on the ground. In just 20 seconds, the 777X transforms from a Code F aircraft requiring specialized jumbo jet gates to a Code E aircraft that can use standard wide-body terminals. But the engineering challenges were immense. These aren't simple hinges like you might find on a military carrier aircraft. The folding sections must withstand the full aerodynamic loads of commercial flight. During cruise, these wingtips experience forces equivalent to the weight of multiple cars. Boeing's solution involves advanced composite materials derived from 787 Dreamliner technology. Carbon fiber construction that's strong enough to handle flight loads while remaining light enough for smooth operation. The folding mechanism itself includes redundant locking systems and fail-safes that prevent the wingtips from moving once the aircraft is airborne. The Federal Aviation Administration required special certification conditions for this technology. Because no commercial aircraft had ever featured folding primary wing structures, regulators needed to write new rules. The system includes active takeoff protection that prevents pilots from beginning a takeoff roll if the wingtips aren't fully extended and locked. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe. Now, let's talk about what this technology really means. The 777X isn't just solving an airport compatibility problem. It's enabling Boeing to build aircraft with aerodynamic efficiency that was previously impossible. Extended wingtips during flight provide 20% lower fuel consumption compared to previous generation aircraft. That massive wingspan generates superior lift-to-drag ratios, while the folding capability ensures airlines can operate these aircraft from virtually any international airport. Major carriers like Emirates, Lufthansa, and Singapore Airlines have placed firm orders for over 540 aircraft. They understand this technology represents the future of long-haul aviation. Maximum efficiency in the air, maximum flexibility on the ground. But Boeing's real secret isn't just about folding wings. It's about completely reimagining how commercial aircraft are designed and manufactured. Deep inside Boeing's factories in Everett, Washington, and Charleston, South Carolina, a transformation is underway that most people never see. The company calls it their Digital Transformation Initiative, but that understates what's really happening. Boeing is building what they call smart factories, manufacturing facilities where artificial intelligence works alongside human operators to achieve precision that was impossible just a few years ago. AI-powered robotic systems now handle drilling and fastening operations that require accuracy down to fractions of a millimeter. Computer vision systems inspect aircraft surfaces, composite layers, and structural joints with capabilities that exceed human sight. These systems can detect defects and inconsistencies that would be missed during traditional manual inspection processes. The T-7A Red Hawk Advanced Trainer serves as Boeing's proof of concept for this digital manufacturing approach. Using model-based engineering and sophisticated 3D design tools, Boeing achieved a 75% improvement in first-time quality and an 80% reduction in assembly time. The aircraft transitioned from concept to first flight in just 36 months. Boeing's digital twin technology allows engineers to simulate every aspect of aircraft and production systems before any physical work begins. Boeing's Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Todd Citron, oversees a global network of scientists and engineers developing these breakthrough technologies. Their mandate extends beyond incremental improvements to fundamental reimagining of aerospace manufacturing. Industrial Internet of Things sensors throughout Boeing factories collect real-time data on equipment performance, production rates, and resource utilization. Boeing's conversational AI platform, unveiled in 2023, represents their first large-scale generative artificial intelligence system. Employees worldwide can interact securely with this network to access technical information, design guidance, and manufacturing protocols instantly. However, Boeing's transformation faces significant challenges. The company is still recovering from the 737 MAX crisis that began in 2018. Under new CEO Kelly Ortberg, who took over in August 2024, Boeing has implemented what he calls a back-to-basics approach, focusing on engineering excellence and manufacturing quality. Ortberg established "Give a Damn" as a core company value, emphasizing the elimination of what Boeing calls traveled work, unfinished tasks that move between production stations. His hands-on leadership style has begun stabilizing production rates that fell dramatically during recent safety crises. The 737 MAX program aims to reach 38 aircraft per month production in 2025, with objectives to achieve 47 per month by late 2025 or early 2026. The 787 Dreamliner production is stabilizing at 5 units monthly with projections to increase to 10 per month by 2026. These production targets are crucial for Boeing's financial recovery. The company projects 2026 will mark their first sustainably positive free cash flow year since the MAX crisis began. Converting their massive $500 billion order backlog into delivered aircraft requires stable, high-rate production. As the 777X approaches commercial service and Boeing's digital factories reach full capability, the entire aviation industry watches closely. The success or failure of Boeing's secret plan to revolutionize commercial aviation will reshape how aircraft are designed, manufactured, and operated for decades to come. The folding wings of the 777X are just the visible symbol of a much larger transformation happening inside one of America's most important industrial companies. Boeing's future, and the future of commercial aviation itself, depends on whether this revolutionary approach can deliver on its extraordinary promises. If you want to see how other aerospace companies are responding to Boeing's innovations, that video is on screen now. And if you're interested in the future of aviation technology, subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies reshaping how we fly.